Alright, hello everyone. I hope it wasn't a surprise to you when I was not there this morning. I told you I was going to be at a wedding. Hopefully you're watching this video first, because this is going to kind of remind you what we're going to do today while I'm gone. This video I'm going to show you how to solve the problems that we learned on Monday about parabolas. Next video will be on circles, the next one ellipse, the next one hyperbola. I am actually starting on the ellipse and hyperbola notes page, and I'm going to refresh your memory with this first section here and then do one of the parabola problems on number 4 to kind of get us started. Okay, so just a reminder, how do we know which one's which over here? Well, if the coefficients are the same, like a number 1, and they're both squared, the number 1 is going to be a circle. Okay, remember, same numbers, both positive. Number 2, do you see any squared terms on number 2? I don't. We haven't done anything with no squared terms. That is called a line, ladies and gentlemen. Number 3, different numbers, but that negative sign is the key. If you see a negative squared term, then that's a hyperbola. Number 4, different numbers, both positive though, that's an ellipse. Okay, number 5, same number, and yes, it's negative, but look, they're both negative. It's the exact same number, so that's a circle. Number 6, only one squared term, easy, parabola. Number 7, I see 2 squared terms, they're both positive, and they're the same, so that is a circle. Okay, so that's just a reminder, you have to know which one's which so you know how to attack the problem. Okay, so let's just do a parabola example. Number 1's a parabola, that one's pretty easy. Left 2, and down 1, and it's a normal parabola. So there you go, that one was easy, so there's a freebie. That one's on me. I'm sitting here, look what I got going. I'm watching the Bulls try to take game 2 of the Celtics. So there's a little preview of that. Isaiah Thomas. Oh, nice move. And the finish. Uh-oh. All right, we'll get back to that in a minute. So let's look at number 4. So what do? We have to complete the square. Notice, number 1 is in vertex form. Number 4 is not. So we have to complete the square. So we need to get y by itself. I'm going to move minus 2x squared over. It'll be this. I'm going to move the 6x over. It'll be this. And the 15's already over there. Okay? So now we have to complete the square right here. So I'm going to factor out this 2. I'm going to leave behind x squared minus 3x. I'm going to leave a gap. And then I'm going to have this plus 15. But then I'm going to also have a minus something. Remember, with parabolas, since it's all happening on the same side, whatever you add in here, you're going to subtract over here. So half of 3, that's going to be 3 halves. So if half of 3 is 3 halves, then to square that, that's going to be 9/4. Oh man, this is crazy. Can we do the fractions? Yes, you can, okay? So 9/4, and then over here, if we added 9/4 there, we're going to have to subtract 9/4. But remember, this 2's over here. So it's not 9/4 that we're subtracting. It's going to be double that. So it's actually going to be 18/4 that we're subtracting. Okay? So now we come over here and we have 2 times x minus 3 halves squared. Okay? It's the half. Plus whatever 15 minus 18 over 4 is. Now I don't have my calculator with me. That's okay. We need to put this over 4. 15 times 4 is going to be 60. So 15 is the same thing as 60 over 4. So 60 over 4 minus 18 over 4, that's 48 over 4, which is 12. So hey, it actually works out nice. Okay, this is our new equation. And just to be sure, you guys should check me on this. Make sure when you do Desmos or your calculator that this with the check mark looks the same as that if you typed it in your calculator. Excuse me, not that. This. Make sure those match up. But I believe they do. And that's how you complete the square with a parabola. Continue to watch the other videos and use these as help to not only finish these, okay, but to also finish the homework and to start on the review guide. Okay, good luck, guys. Let's go back to this game, actually, see what we got here. Commercial break.